Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we learned about alert and confirm function, and today video we're going to learn about document.write. So what document.write function does is it renders output on new screen of same page, and it renders inside browser workspace as a part of the same page. And what you can do with the document.write, you can render a message expression, meaning you can perform some mathematical operation, or you can, like, you just give any expression you want to perform, and you want to get some output out of it. And you can get the markup, meaning you can write HTML inside of this document.write. So this is the syntax. You can give message, expression, and markup, like HTML coding inside of the document.write function. So let's see how we can do it. And we open our VS Code and we set up our basic HTML structure. Inside of the body we write, like, let's take a paragraph. Inside the paragraph we write click delete button to delete record. So now we can create a button, delete. Let's see this, refresh it. Okay, this is our p tag and this is our delete button. So what we want to do is, when user click on this delete button, we want to perform some like action. So we want to call some function when user click on this button. So how you can do it, let's see. So when user click on this button, so we want to give a event which is on click, and we can give the name of a function, like delete function. And now we have to create this function inside of our script tag script, and we can create a function by using function keyword, and we give the same name, delete function, and parenthesis, curly bracket, and we want to do document dot write. And first we can write a message like record deleted. And now we can do some expression after that. So we can concat this string with the plus sign, plus we can perform mathematical expression inside of the parentheses. So we can do 10 plus 5, let's say, and that's it. Let's see. So once the user click on this delete button, you see this is showing message and this is showing the calculation we want system to give output as it is. So now we see how we can write HTML inside of this document.write. So we can do another paragraph and we write inside of it record deleted, and we can give a anchor tag. Inside of anchor tag we give href, and we can give the path. We can give the same path that we are making, javascript.html, tag close, and we can give back. So we give a p tag and we give the anchor tag with the back. So let's see how it is looking. So right now when user click on delete button, you will see record deleted and you will see your anchor back. But this is the same page, so same screen. As you can see, it's the same our path javascript.html. So when we click on back, it will give you the same page. So in the next video, we're gonna learn how you can use inner text or inner HTML. So stay tuned. If you still did not subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and support by hitting the like button. And if you have any question, just leave the comment below. I will try to answer as quickly as possible. Thank you. See you in the next one.